Oh, God. Oh, God.
I mean...
Can you put it back, for God's sake?
Jesus, girl.
Look.
Never happened. It never happened. It never happened.
I got it coming out this way.
Is it?
Put that lock back there.
It's my turn?
Yeah.
Oh, God.
Oh, really?
Ah.